Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make seafood pizza in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to have the recipe and you can unlock the recipe after you reach level 4 in your cooking hobby. After you unlock level 4, you can immediately go to Masimo and buy the seafood pizza recipe. And I already found the recipe. Wait, let me show you guys. Okay, this is the recipe for seafood pizza, and from this food we can earn 70 energy. Okay, you will need cheese and then tomato sauce, and you will need the wheat and also fish. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, and wait guys, don't forget to adjust the heat level so you can avoid the bizarre food. Okay, okay, I still need to wait. Okay, one more time. All right, almost done. Yay. And I just got the seafood pizza. Okay guys, and that's how we can make seafood pizza in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.